Dito na kami ngayon. Paalis na kami. It's 2:26 in the morning. Si Julia. Julia.
Wala pa. Pero chip na lang.
Tapos, Julia. Baka
kasi nga, bus 5 din.
So yun, bus 5 daw kami. Dito na ng mga estudyante. Si Eunice nandun sa kanyang mga kaklase. Ayan guys, it's 2:26 in the morning. Wala kami supi. Si Kawelder lang yung iwan din sa bahay. Aga namin nagising, naligo, baon. Pero parang kami lang nga may pinakamaraming dala dito. Parang isang linggo kami. Isang linggo ang dala namin. Isang linggo ang dala. Si Julia. Eunice. Eunice. So yun guys. At palis na kami. Nakapila na. Punta kami Subic. Si Bonbon.
You mean like, don't look at me.
Tapos, alis na. Dami na mga estudyante. Nakapila na ko sa bus. Yan. So, palis kami papuntang Subic. Yun, si Kawelder lang naiwan dun sa bahay. At alas 3 na ng madaling araw. 2 o'clock kami. Si Julia nandun. Ang klase niya yan. So, si Eunice. So, ang dami naming dala. Para kaming Christmas tree. So, yun.
Picture bago.
Yun. Si Boy aalis. Punta Subic. Yan. So, nandito na kami sa bus number 5. Si Julia. Si Ate Eunice. Saka yung mga klase. So, yun doon. Number 5. Yan. Eunice, number 22 ka ba?
Opo.
22 sa likod kami. 22.
Antok mo ako.
Dito ka na, dito ka na lang. Huwag ka na sumakay.
Bye, sir.
Sinong sir?
Ano?
Na Jewel? Hindi sila magbabas.
Hindi na sila magbabas. Alam na nila saan ang way eh. Ano sila magbabas? Parang mas mabilis na daw. Hindi ko lang kung sama si Julia.
Lang nga naman. Dito ka sa unahan, no? Ano ba?
Hindi yan. Full. Konti lang tayo.
Ano?
Sa kalikod ko. Basta natulog.
Ha? Ano na?
Sa kata na likod ko.
Gusto mo na?
Matulog.
Matulog ka?
Up. This is filters. We need to go to sleep.
So yun guys. Pila pa rin kami. Yun, mga ka-welder. So yun guys, nandito ka na kami sa may loob ng bus. Si Ate Eunice na dito. Tapos kami po nandito ni Ate Julia. Nasa window side siya. Ayan. Tapos yung pinsan ko na nandito family.
Kami hawak yung grade po na ay.
Ay, wala ako.
Ano?
Opo.
So yun, dito na kami. Mga ka-welder. Punta pa kami Subic. So sabi niya, shout out kay Nanay Ilang. Sabi niya, lapit lang daw. Sa Pampanga lang daw yun. Banda. So si Julia antok na daw. Yung masasabi mo, uulit ka pa ba? Uulit ka pa ba mag-tour?
Yes. Ang sayo.
Pero ako hindi. Hindi na. Parang ayoko na. Ay! Ayan, nilaglag pa ang cellphone.
Nakat po namin yan. Ikakat.
Nilaglag pa na.
Sorry, ma'am. Ang sarap pala dito. Mapumaka, guys.
Bakit?
Malawin. Nasa wala pala po dito mga guys. Ano?
Folder.
Maka-welder mo po. Lamig. May aircon po dito. Ayan.
Masakit sa iyo?
Kagaya. Wait.
Lagay mo sa baba.
Kagaya niyan. So, mga guys, yung outside world, ang dilim. Woo! Okay, dilim. May tinidor pa talaga dito. Umiinom ako maga-maga.
Maano na naman sila.
Hey!
Sige na, mamaya naman. Pagdating na lang
At
guys.
saka like and subscribe for more videos. At hindi kami galaw sa dati na ilang na-store na dito sa YouTube.
Uy, badji.
Ano ba? Hindi yan. Bye mga guys. See you tomorrow. Pag nandun na po. Hindi ha! Pag nandun na po tayo sa Subic, bablog na po tayo. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Yan, Subic.
Ayun guys, may sinasabi si Julia.
Doon dahil sabi ko, yung Nicolites.
Ano?
Tawag, di ba mahal yung binabayad private school yan? Ganda sa private school na Nicolites. Ay, sa buhay. Baka dumaan si Rob. Baka dumaan si Rob makikita.
Ano doon? Sa unahan.
Bah! Stop it! No! Bye-bye!
At yun guys, nag-outing kami kasama sila. Nag-outing kami kasama sa Paned Ryan. Sorry kayo, kami lang. Guys, paalis na kami. 3 o'clock in the morning. At yun.
Nagdadate na ba tayo?
Hindi pa. Si Julia, gusto nang umalis talaga. So yun guys, good morning. 5 o'clock in the morning. Nandito tayo sa Binyan, Laguna. Hindi ko alam kung bakit Binyan.
Alam ko, tigising ko pa sa...
So yun guys, nandito pa kami sa Binyan. Magkap kami. 5 o'clock in the morning. Yan.
Wala pa rin tayo sa Subic.
Sa Binyan. Binyan, Laguna pa lang kami. Tayo na classmates. Yan. Shout out sa mga bata. Yan. Si April.
At saka aking best friends na late na sasama daw silang bus 5. Si Lucas bus 5, wala siya dito. Si Hillary bus 5, wala din dito.
So yun guys, dito ka na kami sa Loxie.
Sorry po, labas po tayo. Dito po kayo sa next video.
Yan, dito na kami.
Hindi, pindutin mga po yun.
Yan guys, dito na kami. Dalawa.
Oo nga, may ganito nga. Lizard.
Julia. Julia. Julia, sali ka. Julia.
Hindi tayo mananong sa show.
Julia.
natin. Ort, oh. Ort mata. Ilong. Pabulo.
Julia. Yun eh.
Nanay ko.
Mga anak ka?
Nanay ko po.
Julia. Sini ka.
Yan na, yung mga sa harap ko. Sa harap ko, ma'am.
Julia, Eunice. 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 Teka. Eunice. Ako ba? Eunice, dini na.
Tatayo na ko.
Ito daw ang basko. Julia, dini na. Julia. Julia, muna.
Ayoko, hindi ko tao. Ang tao.
Sabi na kasi doon sa unahan.
Si Eric pala yung nasa likod ni Lebron. Pare. Tama na yun. Takbo na rin. 220 ang dalaman.
Welcome here at Echo Theater. By the way, my name is Pedro Yel. Well, you know, folks, it's a very wild world that we live in. Think about it. We humans, we share this earth with nearly 9 million species of mammals, birds, reptiles, insects, invertebrates, and other capitolists. In short, we are surrounded with life. And now we have some really cool animals that you will be meeting today. And we're going to explore their amazing and mysterious world. Now, are you ready? Right. Well, the forest is filled with life. There are creatures of all shapes, sizes, and colors everywhere. But most of them we never really see. Because for those that are easily seen, just like those like that, come on down. Run!
Terrain na yun, di ba na? Terrain.
Well, as you can see, because of their color, they are very obvious in the wild. That's why they are easily caught and eaten. In fact, most of the animals are designed to blend in perfectly with his nature. And nearly invisible, and that is what we call camouflage. Yes. So right now, I am looking for my friend that blends in perfectly with his nature. So have you seen my friend? Can you help me out? How about on this side? It's not a giant crab and not this green lizard. But there's another one.
Ayun, no?
How about on the other side?
May owl. May owl
Kita
daw.
niyo na ba siya? Sitting on the tree branch.
Yung owl.
Oh, what kind of bird is that? Oh, yes, you're right. Actually, ganito pa siya din dyan.
Hindi mo nakita yung owl.
Our little friends right there is George. And,
Kaya nga sabi ko, tinuturo ko sa yung
Goofy.
owl.
And they are Philippine stuffed owls. And they are nocturnal, which means they are more active during the night, yes. And they have an amazing eyesight, so they can catch their meal even in complete darkness. And they have specialized feathers that helps them muffle their sound, so they can catch their prey more easily. And owls, they can rotate their heads. But the question is, how many degrees can rotate their heads? 360? Out. That's too much. Nabali na po yung leg. 180. Higher. 200 ka. 280. 60 plus 10. 70. Yes, 270 degrees. Amazing, right? So how about a round of applause for George and Suki together with Trainer Val and Trainer Tessa. Thank you so much. Okay, now I have a puzzle for you naman. What has a face like a cat, a body like a bear, with a long bushy tail, and smells like buttered popcorn? Bear cat? Well, actually, the answer is right above your head. Okay, everybody stay on your feet. And that is Luna, our victorious cat, or also known as the bear cat. So see that long bushy tail, it helps you balance on the vine. Yes. And the tail is so strong, so he can hang on it. Just like that.
Ayaw mo pa dito Julia.
And don't raise your head for your safety. And as for his reward, he will have some of his favorite fruits like banana, grape, mango, and even egg. Nice.
Ayaw mo pa dito Julia.
They have a high-pitched wail when they are annoyed. They also howl, grunt, and leave. And also use that buttered popcorn smell to mark their territories. And they have a very unusual high pitch, so they can walk down the tree as birds. And these sorrows, they can only be found in the beautiful island here in Luzon. Start with letter P. Pampanga? Palawan. Yes, you're right. That's why they also call us Palawan Bearcat. So how about a round of applause for Luna, our beautiful friend. Say bye, Luna.
Ayaw mo pa Ayaw mo pa
well,
dito
moving on, the world is truly wild.
Julia,
imagine spending half of your life looking at the world upside down. And they are animals who do just like that. Nakabalik ka daw. But, well, let's see if you're right. And yes, you are correct. The world's only flying mammal. So this is Yuri, our female giant fruit bat. And the other one is Babu. Well, I say giant because they are one of the largest bats in the world. When they are full grown, they will have a wingspan of 5 feet long. And they have bitos on its foot, 4 fingers on those delicate and stretchy wings, and their thumbs stick out so they can move along the branches. But everybody's wondering, why do bats have... Bakit daw sila nakabaliktad? Or sleeping? What else? Working out to have abs? Well, here's a couple of reasons. I want you to try this. Go, try it. Real try. Make it naman higit. See how much energy it takes to do that. Now, relax. What happened? Your hands open, right? Well, the bat's claws work the opposite. When they are relaxed, their claws are closed. So when they hang on the branch, they are more comfortable. And the other reason is their legs are so thin and so small. Well, it's not designed to walk or take off from the ground just like a bird. Well, what he must do is, he will climb up to a higher place, and when he's high enough, he will eventually fall into flight. Wow! Nice flight, Yuri! Oh. Now, Babu, show them what you got! Again, we will climb up to a higher place, just like that. And when they are high enough, we will eventually fall into... Well, it's a line! Wow! One round, Babu! Alright, and that's our last line! Amazing! So how about a round of applause for Babu and Yuri, our giant bat? Thank you so much, Taylor.
Ayan, fruit bat. Sit
Now
down ka
tell me,
lang.
do you want to see more?
Sit down.
Ang hina naman. Do you
Sit
want
down
to see
ka lang.
more? Okay, now let's meet another flight.
Julia.
He is native here in the Philippines and have a very strange looking beak. Everybody wanted to meet Noy. Yes, that is Noy, our Rufus hornbill, or locally known as Kalaw. Yes, Kalaw. Well, see that big thing sitting on top of his beak? That is called Cas. Say it again, Cas. Yes, it acts like a vibrating chamber to make your voices louder. And hornbills are quite catchy. Their calls range from deep booming sounds to break like a donkey, flutes, bellows, and knuckles. And I know it's a little hard to see, but take a look, hornbills have eyelashes. See that? Yes, to make them very cute and sexy. Sana all. And diamond is a combination of
Pangit ng
fruits,
kulay ng
insects,
ating
and
cellphone.
animals. So their beaks is quite handy.
Hindi ba inayos
They
mo
can
ito
pluck
kanina?
fruit from trees just like our fingers.
Ayusin mo daw.
And Joyner will show us how. Okay. Here, just like this. Wow. Higher. Joy, ready? Wow! So how about a round of applause for Noy, our Rufus hornbill. Okay, now the next animal that I'm going to introduce to you is one of my favorites. Yes, one of my favorites. That is feared by many humans for no good reason. I don't know why. Do you know what kind of animal it is? It's snake, yes, you're right. Specifically, it is a Burmese python, one of the world's longest snakes. They can go up to 6 meters long and weigh around 75 kilograms. But you don't have to worry because they are not venomous and not aggressive. So if you find a python, just leave them alone and it will get out on your way as quickly as it can. Wala ba sa ilalim ng mata ko nyo?
Ako sa ilalim
Kasi
ng...
kahapon nasa loob ko ng nakaka. Sino ba?
Nasa
Wala ba
paa.
dyan? Tapat ko? Ay, wala ba? Yan sir, wala ba?
Mga nasa paa daw
Oh, check
natin.
ko lang ha. Ay, nandito pala. Sorry, my bad. Now, are you ready to meet my friend? Okay, then everybody, I want to meet. Ready? Stay in your seat. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, just kidding. Okay, hirap lang ko yun. Ay, tumakbo si Mabo. Okay, listen here. See Dennis ka? Well, you keep sticking your tongue out because he's smelling the air with it. Try that sometime. Mahirap, di ba? And Dennis eyes have no eyelids or walang talukap. So their eyes are always open even they are sleeping. That is protected by a transparent scale called spectacles. Ito malulak sa inyo ba? And see this beautiful pattern on his skin. It helps him to blend in perfectly with his dirt. Just like our zebras right here. Yan, taylor pala na malulak ka. Parang gutom na sa Dennis. Okay, now I have a tricky question. Are snakes slippery and slimy or smooth and dry? Okay, ito na lang. Who said slippery and slimy? Raise your hand. Slippery and slimy.
Slippery and slimy.
2424. How about smooth and dry? Smooth and dry. Raise your hand. 103264. How about the others? I don't know. Ay, meron din. Ano to, trainers? A volunteer from the audience. Ayun, meron na tayo nakakita dito sa likod. yung last gift. Okay, kids, stay your seat lang ha. Mahanapan lang natin ang surprise today. Wow! Hi, ma'am! Ayan. Hello, ma'am. Itawag mo muna yung pamalo mo, ma'am. Baka po, ano? Ma'am, hindi mo muna yung pamalo mo, ma'am. Excuse me po. Okay. What is your name, ma'am? Kain from? Hi! Hello? Any last word for her? Are you okay to stay, ma'am? Yes? Or it's gonna be your last day. How about a wave goodbye to them? Goodbye. Bye! No, I'm just kidding. Don't worry, ma'am, because we will help you to get over that fear, okay? All you have to do is to follow my very simple instructions. Now, are you ready? Ready? Okay. Ito po tayo? First, okay, first is you. First, ma'am, dito po tayo, ma'am. I want you to touch, ma'am, and stay like this. Go ahead, ma'am, go ahead. Wow, dito po. Ganun mo lang po, ma'am. Yan. Oh. Next, dito po tayo, ma'am. I want you to feel down. Come here. Relax naman yung pala. From here, down to the tail. Yes, ma'am. Tuloy po. Okay, pababa po sa bukot. Okay, and last, ma'am, I want you to touch Dennis' head. Kaya ba, laki ba si Dennis? Oh, he hasn't eaten yet for 4 months? Ma'am, are you willing to give your arm? Dennis lang. Ay, may pangarap pa daw siya. Okay. Kaya ba, we'll show it first. Touch the tail. Ay, touch the head slowly. Okay, ma'am. Ganun lang po. Touch the head slowly, ma'am. In count of 3. Touch slowly. Ready, ready. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Ay! Alam ko ba? Sa loob eh. May nagluluto po kasi ma'am. Sorry po. Ma'am, dito mo tayo ma'am? Natouch ka na ba? Isa pa daw, isa pa. O, wala na pong gulat. 64 din yung nagulat. Ay, gutom na nga si Derry. Hindi ma'am, kailangan mo mahawakan yung ulo ma'am. Yan, okay naman. So, I have a question ma'am. Since you got Derry,
Ikaw, Julia, gusto mo?
yours with the dry.
No. My teeth bites one.
Nice answer. So how about a round of applause to our great volunteer? Thank you so much, ma'am. You may take your seat. And of course, to Dennis, our Burmese idol.
Ikaw yun eh.
Thank you, trainer.
Hawak ka.
Okay, thank you so much. So, in our travel through this wild world, we've met some pretty amazing animals, right? But some people see wild animals like those, they want to take them home and turn them into pets. Wild animals do not make good pets. Sadly, they suffer and die in the care of humans. So please, don't keep wild animals as pets. Instead, why don't we choose a domestic animals like a man's best friend? Then I want to meet Rex. Ayun! I want to meet Sammy. How about a wave hello there? Wave hello! Worker and Taliban, I am forgiving and always glad to see you. And you can have us stand together just like this. Viewers, I would like to say, thank you for joining us here today. We hope you will enjoy the show and have a wonderful day. Only here at Ocean Adventure. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you so much.
Doon na daw sa baba.
Okay, and look at the camera. Smile. Alright, now Faye, is Sophie nice? Yes. Okay, Faye, stay right there. Are you okay? Yes. Alright, now Faye. Okay. Sophie would like to give you a special treat. So are you ready? Yes, are you? Yes! Alright folks, and that is a big, wet, juicy, fishy kiss. Alright now, so before you do it, I show you first. Okay, all you have to do is to lean forward to Sophie and offer your cheek just like this, and she will give you a gentle kiss. So Mom Faye, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, okay, move closer to Sophie. Okay, move closer and offer your cheek, and she will give you a gentle kiss, just like that. Okay, sit up, Sophie. Okay, Sophie, go back to Officer Masters. Alright, folks.
Pick up Summer Challenger.
So Sir Raymond, so why don't we start with the body handshake with Sophie? Okay, come closer, and all we have to do is to drop her clipper. Closer, and drop the clipper. Okay, let's wait for a while for Sophie. Okay. Wow. And go over there, sir. Raymond, alright folks, this is how it works. So Sophie and Sir Raymond will compete in a series of tests to see who will be the next winner of the Sea Life Fit Challenge. So the basic rule is whatever Sophie does, Sir Raymond, you have to do it as well. So ano gagawin ni Sophie? Ay gagawin mo rin. Yes, sir. Alright, ask natin si Sophie. Sophie, are you ready? Are you? Not yet. Hey, officer, I think Sophie needs some warm-up. Warm-up, please. Alright, how about the massage? Clipper massage. Oh, under clipper, please. And of course, back massage. Back massage. Now, Sophie, are you ready? Are you? Yes, ready na si Sophie. So, Sir Raymond, it's your turn to warm up. Yes, sir, warm up. Ano, sir, not like that. You have to do it in a Are you ready? And... Sir. Okay, and stretch your arm. Yes, stretch your arm. Massage. Massage, and of course, back massage. Okay, Sir Raymond, are you ready? Ready, ready. Set works. Sophie is ready. Sir Raymond is ready. Let the games begin. Round one. Alright, sir, we make it easy on you. And for this round, all we have to do is to turn. And don't forget to wiggle. In the middle? Yes. Yes, sir. Turn! Ay, sir! Not like that. Sir, you have to do it in a Sirine style. Hands on the floor. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Turn in middle. Hands on the floor and turn. Okay, sir. Middle. Wow! Alright, girls, round 2. Okay, youngster. Can we go a little bit harder this time? Yes, a bit harder, please. Sir, all we have to do is to lie down and roll over. Wow. So, Sir Raymond, the floor is wet and it's all yours. Yes. In the middle again, sir. Alright, sir, lie down. And roll over. And roll. Hey, sir.
Pati ka naman
Hey, sir, are you okay? Still okay. Alright, folks, Sir Raymond's still okay. Do you want to see more? Yes! Hey, I know you can do better than that. Do you want to see more? Okay, folks, you got it for you for the third and final round. Yes, sir, very good, sir. Yes, sir. One last. Oh. Okay, sir, all you have to do is spin that there and slide. And stop. Now, before the edge. Hey, sir, where are you going? Hey, sir, medyo mahirap. Hey, sir Raymond, you volunteered for this, remember? Yes, sir. Alright, Sir Raymond, so why you go over there? Alright, sir, before you do it, so I have a tip for you. So first, you need to judge your speed and your distance. And don't forget one very important thing. Don't forget to stop before the edge, or else it's swimming time. Stop. Yes, sir. Okay, sir, are you up to it? Yes. Alright, folks, how about some encouragement for Sir Raymond? Alright, folks, are you ready? Alright, folks, are you ready? Yes! Wow! Okay, come with me. 1, 2, 3, slide! Let's go! Yes, sir! Hey, sir, what did you do? I told you to slide and stop. Not to slide and swing. Pagulasin, sir. Alright, folks, I think this is the end of our competition. Now, round of for Sophie and Sir Raymond. Again, Sir Raymond, so thank you for your cooperation. You've shown us your passion and dedication. And because of that, sir, we have something for you. And that is a fish. Okay, sir, what are you waiting for? You can eat it now. I'm just kidding. Just give it back to Sophie. Okay, give it back to Sophie.
Just like this?
Okay, sir. You can toss it. And wow.
Okay.
Okay, Sir Raymond. This is so since you're already red, you have a free shirt, short, and slippers from the Get Shop. All for free. Yes, sir. Okay, so Officer Lester and Sophie, thank you very much. Okay, sir, this way.
Wow. What a great guess. Okay, so folks, moving on. Our sea lions have come up with a few ideas on how we take better care of the environment. So folks, here's one. Our sea lions would like to remind us not to throw our trash in the ocean because that is their home. And littering is ugly and it's very dangerous. So folks, did you know that this small plastic bag could kill? Did you know that? Whales, dolphins, dugongs, sea turtles, sea lions, and other marine animals could easily swallow this plastic bag and they can choke and die.
That's right, while fishing lines and pieces of nets could kill tens of thousands of marine animals every year.
Hey, there you are. Come. Okay, so folks, after getting it tangled, let's show them Sophie. Come. So folks, after getting it tangled, slowly. And there you go. She'll drown. Aw, poor Sophie. What a fine acting job though. So how about a big round of applause for Sophie?
Great with song dancing.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Sophie.
We offer several opportunities for you to meet our sea lions up close and personal. We have Sea Lion Photo Encounter, Meet and Feed program, and Play and Paint session. Interested? Please approach our friendly photographers.
Meron pa? So yun guys, ayan. May nakitang kamukha ni Julia. Ay, di ba? Ayun oh. Tapos, ayun pa oh. Ayan. Ayan. Julia, nangahabol yan ha. So yun guys, nandito kami waiting sa dolphin show. Ayan. Nagdo-dolphin show naman kami. Kanina ay sila yun. Ngayon dolphin naman. Mamaya siguro ay dragon show. Kanina, sila yun. Initan, ang daming init.
There you go, up and down. See that? Now we all know that our marine mammal friends breathe air. And you know what, folks? They use the blowhole on top of their heads to do that. Listen to this. Next up, what do dolphins do when they want to scratch their itchy skin? And that's right, they do the breach. Some would also breach to catch fish or just to communicate with other dolphins. And now folks, what do you think dolphins do when they want to show off and have fun? Alright guys, show now. Amazing acrobatic behavior. So, but a big round of applause for our dolphin friends. Good job, dolphins. Alright, so as you these animals are streamlined and built for speed. And because of that, here's an interesting trivia for you. Michael Phelps is an Olympic swimmer. And on his best of days, folks, he can reach a speed of 9.6 kilometers per hour. But you know what, for dolphins, they can reach a speed of up to 40 kilometers per hour. Alright guys, whenever you are ready, and get it! See, and that was really fast. But folks, here's more. Get ready for the most amazing feature of all. Now if Michael Jackson can do the famous moonwalk, well hold it guys, because our dolphins, they can do this. Okay, whenever you're ready, please show them. See that folks, they can walk on water. That was amazing. And they can actually do it forwards and backwards. Just like that. Now once again, let's give it up for our dolphin friends.